So the sun is setting and it only means one thing. It's aperitivo time. What is aperitivo? It's one of the greatest Italian inventions of all time. It's basically an excuse to start drinking and eating an hour and a half before your proper meal. It's often low alcoholic content. It's just a way to, to get the night started. So we're gonna show you today 3 of the most commonly drunk aperitivo in Italy. So the first one is the world famous Aperol Spritz. We use for the Aperol Spritz a wine glass and take Aperol. We put a good measure of Aperol here, a splash of sparkling water or club soda, and the bulk of it, some Prosecco. We'll add some ice. And we'll garnish it with an orange. Ladies and gentlemen, the world famous Aperol Spritz. The next one up is one of my personal favorites. It's called the Hugo. The Hugo comes from Venice. And again, we take a wine glass, Elderflower cordial, for a good measure. We take some mint. I found this wild mint growing near the house and I think it's fantastic for the cocktail. So we take the leaves out. Once you got the leaves in your hand, you give it a whack. By giving it a whack, you release all the essential oils. And once again, ice cold Prosecco. And we're gonna add a splash of sparkling water. Just a splash. A little bit of ice. Famous in the whole of Venezia, the Hugo. Let me give this a taste. Brings back memories. The last stop is the amazing Negroni. So for the Negroni, we use a tumbler and 3 equal portions of Martini Rosso or any red Vermouth. Good measure. Same amount of your favorite gin. And to complete, which is the one that gives most of its flavor, is the Campari. So 3 equal measures, and this is the Negroni. We're gonna add some ice. We'll take some orange rind, we'll squeeze it, get the oils out, and that's it, the Negroni. So these are 3 of the most enjoyed aperitivo cocktails around Italy. The Spritz, the Hugo, and the Negroni. Try them out and I'd love to hear which one is your favorite. Always drink responsibly.